Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shiva Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasagap? So, guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na pa subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for the sign of Cancerian. Ano ang pinaka-powerful message sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? There's a temperance, healing, balance, no? And of course, there's a hermit card, soul searching. Oh, sinasabi sa'yo dito na magkakaroon ka raw ng healing by spirituality. And of course, there's a page of cups of the lover's card. Listen to your intuition. And there's a dream, no? Kumbaga may mga pangarap kayo dito with your person, the lovers. And there's a magician manifestation. May mga bagay na mamamanifest ka with the Six of Pentacles. Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances sa'yo. Pasabog. What is the temperance? The temperance represent the hangman and the nine of cups. Kumbaga there's an offer, no? Offer, and of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's new perspective. Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang baguhin yung mga ginagawa mo. Letting go, no? Kumbaga, itong offer na to, kumbaga, magdadala sa'yo ng balance and healing. So, what is the Hermit card? There's a page of Queen of Swords. There is an intelligent for spirituality enlightenment. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, magkakaroon kayo ng patas at para makaklear mo yung boundaries, no? Kumbaga, malalaman mo at magkakaroon ka ng boundaries and protections na sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, para may gagabay sa'yo, may tutulong sa'yo para maisakatuparan mo yan at para matanggal mo yung mga blockages. And of course, there's a 5 of Wands. Kumbaga, listen to your intuition. May mga, kumbaga, mararamdaman mo kapag itong taong kaharap mo, kumbaga, nakikipagkupitan siya sa'yo or this is a challenges, no? What is the lovers? There's a King of Wands. Control, stability. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, kailangan, gamitan mo to ng charm and of course wait, oh my god, hinig ka man lola mo. Control, kumbaga kailangan makontrol mo to, even yung visions nyo, kailangan makita nyo yung bigger picture of yourself together, no? Kumbaga makita nyo yung mga plano nyo, yung life purpose nyo. What is the magician? There's a Queen of Cups. There's a healing for manifestation. May mga bagay na may sasakatuparan ka. What is the Six of Pentacles? What is the Six of Pentacles, Angel Spirit Guides? What is this Six of Pentacles? What is the Six of Pentacles? There's a Ten of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a lot of struggles, obligations, burden. Ano po sinasabi dito? There's a decision that you need to make and waiting for a result. Kailangan mo na mag-decision as soon as possible. Bitawan mo na yung pababagal ng eksena mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo na kayang bitente, bitawan mo. The Three of Wands, waiting for a result and there's a progress, no? And of course, embrace the new horizon. So, what is the total outcome? Okay, overall, there's an 8 of Wands. There's a messages, email, fast communication, and a Knight of Cups. There's an offer. Devoted and supportive person at the Wheel of Fortune is here. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang umiikot ang kapalaran. Ang kapalaran ay mukhang mapapasayo. Kumbaga, there's a blessed disguise. Good luck and fair, no? Magkakaroon ka ng life cycle. Pagbabago ng eksena. Kumbaga, there's a turning events, no? Kumbaga, lumalabas pag the Wheel of Fortune, lumabas talaga, may swerteng papasok. About, what is the additional outcome? Okay, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. And of course, there's a Five of Cups. Kumbaga, wag mo raw sayangin yung mga oportunidad. Kung gusto mo may isa katuparan lahat ng mga pangarap mo, do it. Big it. And of course, there's a Three of Pentacles in the power of the deck. Kumbaga, Three of Pentacles represent a teamwork, collaboration. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo makipag-ugnayan with your persons. Kung gusto mo may isa katuparan niya at gusto mo perfect talaga ang magawa mo. Kung ano may life missions or life purpose mo, ilaban mo. At baguhin lang ang mga bagay-bagay ha, yung pananaw mo. Kailangan mo rin habaan ng pasensya mo. So, what is the Love Oracle card? Kasi parang nakikita ko dito, nag-worry ka na sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. No, laban lang. What is the Love Oracle card? There's a key with a ring. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga may kandado yan, T. At of course, syempre may susi talaga yan. Kumbaga, itong susi na to, kumbaga marami siya, multiple. Ibig sabihin, there's a decision that you need to make and many options. And there's a love, unconditional love and engagement ring. Some of you mayroon ditong eternity and of course, a completion and union. There's a partnership coming in for you. So, what is the chakra? Diba? So, what is the chakra, angel spirit? There's a, despondency. Ibig sabihin talaga, stress ka talaga dito, T. No, and of course, sinasabi dito, forgiveness, no? Bitawan mo, pakawalan mo yung mga tao or sa bagay na nakapagbigay sa'yo ng blockages. Self-worth, no? Kumbaga, pahalaga mo yung sarili mo. And of course, there is some service. May some of you may mga karamdaman, no? It's either family related or, kumbaga, may service dito na kailangan ng tulong mo. What is the angel's number? Okay, what is the angel's number? Angel spirit. Okay. There is a 27. So, what is this? What is that? Your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate towards all ways of life. You value freedom of expressions and want to improve the conditions of people, whether in community, country, or world and large. Ibig sabihin dito, no, kumbaga, pinapakita mo ang kakayanan mo, pinapakita mo ang kahalagahan mo. Hindi lang sa ibang tao, hindi lang sa paligid mo, no? Kundi sa mga taong nakakapag-appreciate ng mga bagay na kaya mo. No? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na gusto mo makita yung kahalagahan mo, no? Hindi lang din sa sarili mong tao, kumbaga gusto mong makita kung paano ka pahalaga ng taong mahal mo. T, nag-emote ka dito. Charis. So, what is the additional messages? What is the additional messages? Okay, there's a waning one is self-inventory. Self-inventory, parang sinasabi dito na parang kailangan mo mag-invest sa sarili mo, T. Kumbaga may mga pagkukulang ka sa sarili mo na kailangan mong pahalagahan o kailangan mong punan. So, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito, there's a the sun, no? Kumbaga, there's a growth, a God energy, illumination. Kumbaga, there's a positive at saka positive outcome. What is additional messages? Okay, there's an artist. Pagandahin mo ang kwento mo. And of course, there's a travel. Kwento mo yan. Charis. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a travel. Kumbaga, marami kang kaganapan dito. Maraming gala, maraming rampa, maraming ganap. What is the Monsology? Monsology is step out of your comfort zone. Kailangan mo raw kumawala sa mga bagay-bagay, even sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. Kailangan mong kumawala dyan. And of course, sinasabi dito, meditate and contemplate. Kailangan mo magdasal at magmuni-muni. Napakawala ng mga negative energy. What is Archangel Michael messages? Okay, focus yourself. Forgive yourself that you've done nothing wrong. Ibig sabihin dito, patawarin mo rin yung sarili mo. Wala ka daw ginawang masama at wala kang ginawang mali, no? Kumbaga, honor and trust your feelings. Magtiwala ka sa nararamdaman mo. At magtiwala ka sa mga plano ng Panginoon para sa sayo. What is additional messages? Okay, there's an indecision. So, may mga bagay na hindi ka pa mapagdesisyonan ngayon. Kasi parang nahihirapan ka. Marami kang ganap at marami kang gustong gawin, pero hindi ka makapagdesisyon. And of course, there's a freedom. Don't you worry, makakalaya ka dyan sa mga bangungot o mga mga nararanasan mo ngayong struggles or challenges. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, makakalaya ka dyan at makukuha mo yung own happiness mo. What is the energy? Energy represent anxiety. So, ngayon parang nag-overthink ka, nai-stress ka, parang feeling mo, parang hindi mo kaya. No, don't you worry. At the end of the time, there's a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, hindi mo man panahon ngayon, pero darating yung araw na parang papabor sa'yo ang panahon at pagkakataon. No? Si blossoming abundance, kumbaga may potential ka parang maging masagana ang buhay mo. Ilaban mo lang yan. Kailangan mo lang yan pagdaanan. What is the Jesus loving quotes? And judge not that you be not judged. Huwag kang humusga kung ayaw mo husgahan din ng ibang tao. No? What is messages of life? Okay, sinasabi dito remaining in the light. So see? Today I observe, I take time to think calmly and wisely. I go forward with a complete confidence, knowing I will succeed. No matter what happened today, I will remain in the light. I will maintain my faith and my equilibrium in this way. I nurture my soul and become a strong and steady representative of the light. Kumbaga, pinapanatiliin mong nasa magandang eksena ka at nasa tamang landasin ka. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, huwag ka maghahatak ng negative energy, mas lalo kang kumbaga, mai-stuck dyan, no? Sa bangungot na yan at mga challenges na yan or obstacle na yan. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na patuloy ang laban, kailangan mo magdasal, i-surrender mo sa Kanya at hingiin mo sa Kanya ang gabay at tulong na makaalis ka sa sitwasyon at hindi na muling bumalik sa kung ano mang kalagayan mo ngayon. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, keep praying and keep moving. So, sinasabi sa'yo pa na magdasal at maniwala sa may kapal. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8. For the sign of Cancer yan. This reading is a jar reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!